Greetings to all. Welcome to Future Officers Academy. Today we are going to see the daily current affairs of 11th April 2024. To get more daily current affairs videos, follow our channel. Now we'll move on to the first topic of today. The first topic is National Green Tribunal. Why it is currently in news, Punjab was instructed to present the plan for managing 19 million tons of straw, that is stubble, before the National Green Tribunal. Generally, what is the tribunal? Tribunal is nothing but to deal a special circumstance cases under the experts. Like it is a quasi judicial organization. Also, it handles issues like administrative disputes and settling tax. Also, it handles like environmental and other issues. Now, what is the Green Tribunal, the National Green Tribunal? Before that, under which the Constitution has these tribunal, we have to know about that. Under Article 323A, it says about administrative. Under this, there are various tribunals. They are the Central Administrative Tribunal, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, National Green Tribunal, Competition Appellate Tribunal, and Securities Appellate Tribunal are few of the tribunals that can be used to resolve various administrative and tax related disputes. Also, next, the Article 323B. It says about other tribunals such as taxation, foreign exchange, import and export, industrial and labor, land reforms, sealing on urban property, elections to parliament and state legislatures, foodstuffs, rent and tenancy right. Here, the Article 323A can be done only by the parliament. But the Article 323 can be done by both Parliament and state legislature. It was done under the amendment of 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Under the Article 323A, the National Green Tribunal comes of the Administrative Tribunal. Here in the National Green Tribunal, what it deals about? It deals about the National Environmental Tribunal Act of 1995 and the National Environment Appellate Authority Act of 1997 to handle the environmental cases in more effectively and efficient manner. Then who would be the composition of these green tribunal are the chairperson, judicial members and the expert members. Also, they are not eligible for reappointment after serving a 5-year term of office. The central government appoints a chairperson after consulting with the Chief Justice of India. The federal government will establish a selection committee in order to choose the judicial and expert members. The tribunal must consist of a minimum 10 full-time judicial members and maximum 20 full-time expert members. And now, what are the powers and jurisdiction of our tribunal is? It is designed to handle environmental protection, forest conservation and other natural resource preservation in an efficient and timely manner. Also, it can here appeals as court since it has an appellate jurisdiction. There are 7 environmental status that National Green Tribunal handles in civil matters. They are the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. That is the first. Next, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution SIS Act 1977. The Forest Conservation Act 1980. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, the Environment Protection Act 1986, the Public Liability Insurance Act 1991, and finally the Biological Diversity Act 2002. Now, what is stubble burning? Because it is the news which we saw for National Green Tribunal. Stubble burning is nothing but the waste which the farmers used to clear by using fire. Here, what are the impacts of the stubble burning and what is about that? The stubble burning is the technique of lighting the remaining straw stubble such as paddy, wheat and more than etc. after grains have been harvested. Due to this stubble burning, we can majorly see that Delhi affects the most, which is most populated and population density high union territory, because Delhi is near Punjab. When the farmers used to burn these stubbles, the air get more polluted in the union territory of Delhi. It leads to the pollution. Which the air pollution reaches the high, and the Delhi Union Territory want to make many uh, alternatives to get rid of this pollution. Next, the fertility of the soil. How does the fertility of the soil affect by due to the stubble burning air? Uh, like burning husk on the ground, it depletes the soil nutrients and reduces the fertility. Soil nutrients will be lost and fertility will be reduced. What is heat infiltration? Heat infiltration is like while burning these stubbles, it releases the heat into the soil and it causes the bacterial and moisture to be lost. It leads to the loss of bacteria and moisture. These are the some of the impacts of stubble burning. Now we'll move on to the next topic, that is Citizenship Amendment Act. The Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 was passed by the Parliament of India on 11th December 2019. It amended the Citizenship Act 1955 by providing an accelerated pathway to Indian citizenship for persecuted religious minorities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Pakistan, Bangladesh. Now, what is the purpose of Citizenship Amendment Act? It is to protect individuals who have sought refuge in India due to religious persecution. Now, what is citizenship? A citizenship, a person legal status as a citizen is their legal recognition as a citizen of a nation or sovereign state. Here, under our Indian Constitution, we have Articles 5 to 11, which says about the citizenship. The Article 5 says about the citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Under this, it says who was born in Indian territory and who either parent was born in Indian territory or who has ordinarily been a resident of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6 says that citizenship of certain powers who have migrated from Pakistan, that is, he or either of his parents should be born in India, that is, Government of India 1935, and migrated before 19th July 1948. They are ordinary residents since from their migration. After 1948, been registered as a citizen of India by an officer. The Article 7 says citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. After 1/3/1947, who migrated to Pakistan from India, now deemed to be a citizen of India, but returned to India after that are delivered citizenship under Article 6b. Next, Article 8. Citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside the India. This article deals with the rights of people of Indian origin residing outside India for purpose of employment, marriage, and education. Here, Article 9 says people voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign country will not be citizens of India. Article 10 says any person who are considered a citizen of India under any of the provisions of this part shall continue to be citizens and will also be subject to any law made by the Parliament. Article 11 says Parliament can regulate the right of citizenship by law. Under this Article 11 only the Citizenship Amendment Act comes. Now, who are the eligible person to apply CAA 2019 for citizenship? They are the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 grants citizenship to those who fled to Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh before December 31, 2014, citing religious persecution and who are members of following 6 religious minorities. They are Hindu, Sikhs, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian. Citizenship India is currently awarded to individuals who were born there or who have resided there for at least 11 years. A cause pertaining to the revocation of overseas citizens of India registration in the event that the OCA card holders breaches any provision of Citizenship Act or another applicable legislation is also included in the proposed amendment. Now, Citizenship Amendment Act is not applicable for the sixth schedule of the Constitution does not apply to the amendments proposed by CAA. These are autonomous areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram that are controlled by tribes. This implies the residents of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan who are migrants belonged to the recognized communities based on religion are not eligible to receive Indian citizenship. Now, what are the altered things in CAA? The Citizenship Act of 1955 prohibited the undocumented immigrants from entering India. Individuals who entered India without a valid travel documents or those who had a legitimate visa but stayed longer than allowed were considered aliens and were scheduled to be deported. It was forbidden for them to become citizens of India. When religious persecutions forced them to flee Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan, the government introduced the Citizenship and Accommodation Act of a state that would allow any immigrant who was a member of minority group, that is Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian, to enter India prior to 2015. The government has shortened the period of residency under the Act of 5 years for designated class of illegal migrants. These are the Citizenship Amendment Act. To get this PDF, you can get link in our description. You can download it in a Telegram channel. For more videos, follow our Telegram channel and our YouTube channel. Thank you.